Hello and good evening to all the students. So students, let's begin our today's session, and in this session we will solve NCERT class 7 exercise 2.5 of decimals and fractions. So without any further delay, let's start our session. Okay students, so in this exercise we will learn how to solve decimals of fractions. Okay, and in this exercise 2.5, question number 1 is which is greater, and the question is also on your screen, you can see from here. So we will proceed to solve question number 1, which is greater, and its part first given here is 0.5 or 0.05. So this is very easy question, and let's check out how we can solve this. So first of all, we will remove here decimal. So 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10, and similarly 0.05 can be written as 5 upon 100. So both these fractions we find denominator is 10 and in another it is 100. Okay, so first of all we will equal the denominators of both. So we can write here it as 50 upon 100. So first fraction is 50 upon 100 and second is 5 upon 100. So which is greater? It can be easily understood that 50 upon 100 is greater, or we can write it as 0.5 is greater. Okay, so you can see from here these are very easy questions, and now we will proceed to solve question number 6, and rest question you will solve with your own self. Okay, and question number 6 is given here it as 0.8 or 0.88. So what we have to do, first of all we have to remove its decimal. So 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10, and similarly 0.88 can be written as 88 upon 100. So now what we will do, yes, we will now make denominators equal. So 0.8 can be also written as 8 upon 12 cross 10 upon 12, that is 80 upon 100. So there will be no problem here. Now we can see 80 upon 100 or 88 upon 100. So which is greater? Obvious is 88 is greater than 88. So we can write here 88 upon 100, or simply 0.88 is greater. Okay, so you can just note it down because these are very easy questions. Okay students, now we will proceed to solve question number 2 of exercise 2.5. So I am just here writing it. So question number 2 is expressed as rupees using decimals. So we have to just express in rupees using decimals. So its first part here given as 7 paise. Okay, so we have to convert paise in rupees. So we all know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, or we can write it as 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. Okay, so by using this method we can now solve it. So 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees, therefore 7 paise will be 7 upon 100 rupee. And now we will just put here decimals, that it will be 0.07 rupee. Okay, why 0.07? Because when we divide by 100, then it will be first we will put decimal, then we will put another 0, and then we can solve it. So 7 paise can be written as 0.07 rupees. So you can see these are very easy questions, and now we will solve question number 5th. Okay, and rest question you can solve with your own self. So I am just solving question number 5th of this, and question number 5th is 235 paise. So how could we can solve it? Yes, correct. By using the same method here. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise will be 1 upon 100 rupee. So 235 paise will be 235 upon 100 rupee, or we can just write it here as 2.35 rupees. Okay, so these are very easy questions, and now we will proceed to solve question number 3. Okay students, now we will solve question number 3rd and its first part. So question number 3rd part first is given here as express 5 centimeter in terms of meter as well as kilometers. That is, we have to convert 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Okay, so it is a very easy question, and now we will just solve it. So just look at here. We all know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 100 meter, and 5 centimeter will be 5 upon 100 meters, and we can write here it as 0.05 meter. So 5 centimeter is 0.05 meter. Similarly, we will solve it for kilometers. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, just as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, similarly 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1 meter will be 1 upon 1000 kilometers. And here we have also done 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we will just put here value 1 meter, we will replace 1 meter as 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter will be 1 upon 1000 kilometers. 1 meter equal to 1000 centimeter, and 1 meter is also equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, so we have just taken here its value. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter will be 1 upon, that is 1 upon 1 lakh kilometers. So now we have to just find value of 5 centimeter. So here it will be 5 centimeter equal to 5 upon 1 lakh kilometers, or we can write it as equal to 0.5 kilometers. Okay, so 5 centimeter can be written as 0.00005 kilometers. So it is a just concept based question, and if we have to find how many kilometers are in meters or how many kilometers will be in centimeters, then we have to just put it here. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and in this way we can easily solve it. Okay, so this is a little bit tough question, so you can just note it here. Okay students, now we will solve question number 3rd part 2nd. Question number part 3rd 2nd is express 35 millimeters in terms of centimeters, meters and in kilometers. Okay, so we have just convert millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer also. Okay, so how can we convert it? Just look at here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Just as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, similarly 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Or we can write it as 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters. And here it is 35 millimeter. So 35 millimeter will be 35 upon 10 centimeters, and it will be 3.5 centimeters. So 35 millimeter is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now we will just convert it in meters also. So how can we convert it? Yes, correct. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, or we can write it as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100, correct, meter. And here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, correct. So 1 centimeter can also be written as 10 millimeters equal to 1 upon 100 meter, or 1 millimeter will be 1 upon 1000 meter, and we have to just find value of 35 mm. So we will put here 35 mm will be 35 upon 1000 meters, or this can be written it as 0.35 meters. Oh, I'm sorry, I think it will be 0.035. Okay. So 35 mm will be 0.035 meters, and now we will proceed to solve its third part, that is we have to convert it in kilometer also. So I am just writing here 1 kilometer is equal to, yes, correct, 1000 meters. Therefore 1 meter will be 1 upon 1000 kilometers. But we have find here, what we have find here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers, or 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 1 lakh kilometers. And similarly we have also find 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So we will just put here 10 mm. So 1 centimeter is also equal to 10 mm will be 1 upon 1 lakh kilometers, or 1 mm will be 1 upon 10 lakh kilometers. And here we have to find value of 35 mm. So similarly we will put here 35 mm will be 35 upon 10 lakh kilometers. And now we will just divide it. Okay, so here there will be 6 zeros. So we will just write here it as 0. So 35 mm will be 0.000035 km. Okay. So you can just note it here because this is a little bit typical question. So you just note for a few seconds. Okay students, now I hope that you have noted it. Now I am going to erase it and we will proceed to solve question number 4. And question number 4 is also a very easy question. Here it is given, express in kg. Express in kg, and the first part is 200 grams. So we have to convert just gram in kilogram. Okay. So it is a very easy question because generally we all used to go market and purchase some of all things that comes in either kilograms or grams. So we all know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon, correct, 1000 kg. So 200 gram will be equal to 200 upon 1000 kg. So here we will cut and it will be written as 0.2 kg. So 200 gram will be can be written as 0.2 kg. Okay, now we will proceed to solve its part second. Part second is also very easy. So part second is 3470 gram. Okay, so we all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, and we have to find value of 3470 gram. So it will be 3470 upon 1000 kgs. And what it will be? Yes, correct. It will be 3.47 kgs. So in 3470 gram, it will be 3.47 kgs. Okay, now we will proceed to solve its third part also. Third part is 4 kg 8 grams, and we have to express it all in kg. So in such type of question, first of all we will convert 4 kg 8 grams in terms of complete grams. So 4 kg and 8 gram can be written as 4 kg will be 4000 gram plus 8 grams, or we can write it as 800 grams. So it will be 4800 grams. And now we will convert 4800 grams in terms of kgs. So we will just solve it like previous question. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore 1 gram will be 1 upon 1000 kg, and 4800 grams will be 4800 upon 1000, or we can write it as 4.8 kgs. Okay, so in this way we can solve question number 4 also. And now we will proceed to solve question number 5. And question number 5 is now on your screen also, and it is express the following in expanded form. So we have to just express these questions in expanded forms. So just look here how we will express it in expanded forms. And question number 5th part first is 20.03. 20.03, and we have to express it in terms of expanded forms. So its expanded form will be, it is ones place, it is tens place. So it will be, where we can write it as 2 cross 10 plus 0 cross 1 plus, and here decimal is at one place and here it is at second place, that it will be at 1 upon 10, and it will be can be written as 3 upon 100. So we will just write it as 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100, and this will be its just expanded forms. So it is also a very easy question and you can easily do. Now we will proceed to solve its fourth part, okay, because other parts are very easy. So I am just solving its fourth part, and rest you will do with your own self. So fourth part is 2.034. So here 2 is on ones place, so we can write at 2 cross 1 plus 0 is on tens place, So we will write it as plus 0.10. 3 is on 100th place, so we will write it as plus 3 upon 100, and 4 is on 1000th place, so we can express it as 4 upon 1000. So this will be just this answer, or we can write it as 2 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000, and this will be its expanded form. Okay, now we will proceed to solve question number 6. And question number 6 is also on your screen, and you can just read from here. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So we have to just find the place value of 2 in it. And we have also learned in previous chapters or in previous classes what are place value and face value. Okay, so here we have to just find place value and not face value. So question number 6 part first is we have to find 2.56 number is given, and we have to just find place value of 2. So what will be place value of 2? Yes, place value of 2 will be 2 ones, because 2 is at ones place. So we can just write it as 2 ones, it will be place value. Similarly for second, it is given as 21.37. Here 2 is at correct tens place, so place value of 2 will be 2 tens, or 2 cross 10 we can write. Similarly for third, here it is given 200.03. Oh sorry, I think I have noted question number 5th part second. So sorry, I will write it as 21.37, and it will be 2 is at ones tens place, so it will be 2 tens or 2 cross 10. And now we will proceed to its third part, and third part is 10.25. So in this question, here 2 comes after the decimal place. So what will be it? It will be 10 hundredths. So we will just write it as 2 tenths. Not 2 tenths, but here will be 2 tenths. That is, it will can be written as 2 upon 10. So place value of 2 will be here 2 tenths. 2 tenths, okay, that is 2 upon 10. And now we will solve fourth part, and its fourth part here is 9.42. So here 2 is after 2 decimal place, so it will be 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths, well, that is, it can be written as 2 upon correct 100. So place value of 2 in question number 4 will be 2 hundredths or 2 upon 100. Similarly, we will solve for fifth part also, and fifth part is given as 63.352, and we have to find place value of 2. And here we can see 2 is at 1000th place. Okay, so its place value will be 2000. 2000s, or we can write it as 2 upon 1000. So you can see from here these are also easy, but you have to just understand the concept of place value, and you can easily do. So you just note from here. Okay students, now we will proceed to solve question number 7. And question number 7 is now on your screen also. So you just read it carefully, because in this a diagram is also given, and I am going to solve it. So question number 7 is Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. Just as in question it is given. Here it is A place, here it is B place, C, and it is D place. So Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. So I am just writing here distance also. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. And similarly, Ayub went from place A to place D and then from place C. Okay, so D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. So we have to find who traveled more and by how much. So first of all, we will find distance traveled by Dinesh. So Dinesh traveled just AB and then B plus C and BC, that is distance AB is 7.5 kilometer and 10.7 kilometers. So we will just put value here also, 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer. So what will be it? We will just simply add it. And here it will be 20.02 kilometers. So Dinesh traveled distance 20.02. Similarly, we will find Ayub distance and Ayub distance will be AD plus BC. So AD is 9.3 kilometer, you can see from the diagram also, and BC will be 11.8 kilometers. So we will just add it simply. So Ayub traveled distance 21.1. So you can see from here easily who traveled more distance, that is Ayub travels more distance and he traveled how much distance more? Yes, correct, 0.9 kilometer. So he traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Okay, so you can just note from here. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand this question also. Now we will proceed to solve question number 8. And question number 8 is also now on your screen, so you just read it carefully. Question number 8 is Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. So what Shama bought? We will just write here. Shama bought equal to 5 kg 300 gram apples, and another she bought 3 kg and 250 gram of mangoes. Okay, she bought two things, that is apples and mangoes. So total fruit which Shama bought will be 8 kgs and 550 gram. So total fruit she bought of 8 kg and 550 grams. Similarly, we will find total fruit which Sarla bought. So Sarla bought, what Sarla bought? Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams of 4 kg 800 grams of oranges and 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. So total fruit which Sarla bought will be Oh sorry, I have written total what. Here will be total fruits with Sarla what. Total fruit will be correct. Here it will be 950 gram and it will be 8 kgs. So Sarla bought 8 kg 950 gram of fruits and Shama bought 8 kg and 550 gram. So who bought more fruit? Yes, from here you can easily look. Sarla bought more fruits. Why? Because she bought 8 kg 550 and she bought 8 kg 950. So Sarla bought more fruits equal to 400 grams. Sarla bought more fruits of 400 grams. Okay, so just note from here. Okay, now we'll proceed to solve today's last question, and it is question number 9. And it is also very easy, and you can just read question number 9 as given. So question number 9 is, how much less is 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers? So we have to just subtract it. Okay, so one number is 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer. That is, here it is 28 only and here it is 42.6. that is decimal is also given. Okay, so we can just simply subtract 42.6 minus 28. And here it is no decimal, so we can just put 0.0 and simply subtract. So it will be 6, here it will be 4 and here it will be 1, that is 14.6 kilometers. So when we subtract 28 kilometers from 42.6 kilometers, we will get 14.6 kilometers. Okay students, now I hope that we have understand exercise 2.5 of NCERT decimals and fractions. And if you want more such types of notification, then you first of all subscribe my channel, please like it also and share to your friends also, and we will meet same thing in another part also. Okay, so thank you students.